you. So it slides that up for you?
Yeah. So it'll slide it up.
Then you click the button to tack. That one's doing a lot better.
Now it is.